Hey guys, what's up? So today we show top edge straight choose 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tree is called Dual Clock. It's 2 time zones on the lock screen. This tree is called Leave Me Off. Keep display off. Save your privacy. This tweak is called Pin Crush and optimize PNGs for display on iOS devices. This tweak is called NGX Play. Compatible with iOS 11, 12. Let your iPhone can mirror to CarPlay. This tweak is called Power Cuff. Exposes assets to hidden power throttle modes for better battery life. This is called Anime My Screen, and you're tired of seeing that same animations when you lock your screen, then this tweak is for you. More than 15 magnificent animations, adjust the speed to your liking, and random animations for your surprise. And this is called Anime My Badges Pro, includes more than 8 advanced and innovative animations to spice up your bland home screen. It allows you to customize your apps to every aspect that you can fine-tune your settings to fit your preferences. This is called Confirm to Send. It gives the opportunity to show the confirmation pop-up before calling and send texts on these system applications. This is called D&D Toast, a nice Do Not Disturb Toast notification. This is called D&D Switch, enable disable Do Not Disturb with the silent switch. This is called FRIDA for 32-bit devices, FRIDA for 812 plus devices, and FRIDA for pre-812 devices, and just JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called Genesis, the evolution of something beautiful. So it aims to allow users to customize the things that Apple doesn't normally allow, made for people who are tired of waiting for Apple to give us a redesign. And this is called Astia Revived, an aesthetic look to your loved connectivity toggles. And this is called Copy Pasta. It's a minimalist clipboard manager. Minimalist clipboard manager. So save text to a list which is accessible from your keyboard. And this is called Be Green 13, and set a custom battery percentage style. This is called Grid Messages, Chat Messages, Grid View. This is called PC and GC to theme, and that's what it looks like. And this is called Translate-O-Matic, quickly translate any text. This is called APN History, Apple Push Notification History. This is called Touch Sprite Pro, script development tool compatible with iOS 10.3.3 to 14. So it's a simulation of touch action software. So you touch somewhere and you replay that touch, and it does it for you. So if I move up and down like this, I could replay that, and it will keep doing this for me and loop it and do it as many times as I tell it to do it. So, and with updated, so fits service exception caused by iOS 14 timing. And this is called Puck, your magical watching spirit. So, for instance, need a jailbreaking. This is called Photo Manager. Is your camera roll a mess? Do you hate using the Photos app? Take back control of your photos with Photo Manager. So you can choose to move or copy photos out of the camera roll into albums, protect albums with Touch ID or password, hide protected albums from other apps, save photos directly to an album from the camera, hide or show locked albums with a quick gesture, individually hide stock albums including recently deleted, change the number of grid columns, customize the tab bar. And the last tweak is called YouTube Reborn. And what this tweak does, it actually the YouTube Plus alternative is now with an in-app settings, audio downloading, high video info cards, and more. So YouTube Plus alternative. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.